Examples 1 to 3 in Stat 101 Examples Class 5 feature combinations or permutations. Difference between combinations and permutations. Combinations are when order is important, permutations when order is not important. We'll look at these in the following examples. So combinations are when order is important, permutations, order is not important. The first example, example 1, we've got 10 pizza toppings to choose from. How many different 3-topping pizzas are there if we assume we choose 3 distinct toppings? Is the order important? So if we're going to go for a pizza with ham, cheese and pineapple, does it matter if we get the ham followed by the cheese followed by the pineapple, or if we got the cheese followed by the ham followed by the pineapple? We will end up with the same pizza in each case, so the order is not important. Ham, cheese and pineapple giving us the same pizza as cheese, pineapple and ham. So the order is not important, so this is a combinations question. Combinations can be done on your calculator using the N choose R button or N choose P button, called different things on different calculators. It will be choosing out of N, sample of N, we're choosing the P items or the little R items if your button features N choose R. Also can find this in Excel. We'll go into Excel and have a look at the combin function in a minute. N is the number we're choosing from. The little p or the r, the subscript to the right hand side of the C, is the number that we're choosing. So in our case we're choosing 3 toppings. So the little p or the little r at the bottom is 3 out of a possible 10. So it's 10 choose 3. Out of 10 we are choosing 3 toppings from a possible 10. On the calculator, press the 10 first, followed by your function, followed by the 3. Using Excel, we'll be using the combin function, and this we will find in the maths category. So in formulas, this time we will be in the math category, math and trig. Alphabetically listed, we'll scroll down to find the combin function. The number that we're choosing from, we had 10 pizza toppings to choose from, and the number we're choosing 3 out of a possible 10. 10 choose 3 gives us a result 120. 120 different 3-topping pizzas. Different toppings. Example 2, organising a pub crawl. We have 10 bars to choose from and we want to visit 4 in a sequence. This time order is important to tell our friends where to meet up. The order is important, we don't want them turning up at the wrong pub at the wrong time, so order is important. This time it's a permutations question. How many ways can we select 4 bars from the possible 10? How many total permutations have we got to select 4 from a possible 10? This time NPR, P for permutations, out of N number we're choosing R. So in this case, out of 10, we are choosing 4. 10p4. Once again, this function on the calculator. NPR. 10 choose 4. 10p4 this time. Using Excel. Excel has a permute function, P-E-R-M-U-T. Once again, out of a total of 10, we'll be choosing 4 this time. 10 permute 4. The permute function is in the stats formulas. You can type it in directly into the bar at the top, or we can search for it, all alphabetically listed as usual. Scrolling down to the P's, P-E-R-M-U-T. Out of a total of 10 bars, we're selecting 4. So choosing 4 from a possible 10. 4 gives us a result of 5,040. 5040. Total permutations, 5,040 different ways of selecting 4 bars from our possible 10. Very important we give our friends the right order in which to meet us. Example 3. What are the odds of winning Lotto? Remember, a player picks 6 balls from a possible 40, and the machine randomly selects 6 balls without replacement, plus a bonus ball. So to win at Division 1, we have to have all 6 winning balls. What are the odds? Reference here to the New Zealand Lottery's website. One way of getting 6 correct balls. Is order important in this case, or order not important? Order is not important. We will end up with the same selection of 6 balls. It does not matter which order we select them in, as long as we end up with the same 6 as the winning combination. Order is not important. This is a combinations problem. Since it's a combinations problem, we can use that NCR button on the calculator or the combin function in Excel. This time selecting 6 from a possible 40. So combin 40, choose 6. The answer being 3,838,380. So the odds, remember, the number of ways we can win compared to the number of ways we don't win. So the odds of us winning would be 1 to 3,838,379. Odds, remember, a different way of writing our probabilities. One way of winning compared to 3,838,379 ways of not winning. We could write this as a probability, should we choose. Probability would be one way of winning out of a possible 3,838,380, which would be a very small number, 2.6 times 10 to the negative 7. So the probability of us winning, very small indeed. And that's the end of our examples on permutations and combinations, examples 1 to 3.